we'll guide you through how to download videos from Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the video you want to download. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files and need to find it quickly. Click once on the video to select it. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the 3 vertical dots, which is the More Actions button, and then you will see an option labeled Download. Click on Download, and the video will begin to download to your computer. If your browser asks for download permission, make sure to allow it. Once the video is downloaded, you can find it in your browser's default download folder, usually called Downloads. If you're downloading a large video file, it might take a little longer, so just be patient. Also, make sure you have enough space on your device for the video file. If you get an error saying you can't download the file, it might be due to insufficient permissions. In that case, you'll need to check with the owner of the file to ensure you have the necessary access rights. Remember, downloading videos from Google Drive is straightforward as long as you follow these steps. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.